first thing that you want to do is make sure that you are hydrating your skin really well. I always start out with a daily moisturizer. The one that I love is from Exuviance. So I did that this morning, and then right after that I go in with my daily exfoliating pads. I love these. They're not like anyone that is in the market right now. Like, these ones are very gentle. You can use them. These ones are very gentle. You can use them above your eyes, under your eyes, and any part of your face, because it's so gentle. So you want to start out with the daily exfoliating pads from Exuviance. It's these right here. And you want to make sure that you are exfoliating under your eyes and above your eyelids, because it's going to help with the way the concealer lay on your skin. And if you don't use an exfoliator, or if you don't use concealer, then it's going to help how your skincare lays on your skin, because it's going to remove all of that dead skin cell. Alright, so the next thing after that, you want to go into your serum. I love my Radiant Serum. It's the one from Exuviance. I always do about 2 pumps. If I want it to be really glowy, I might do 2 pumps. And this also gets a little tacky, so I like to apply this even underneath my eyes. Look how it's already making my skin look. Next, I'm going in with the eye cream. It's the one from Exuviance. So again, it's the Total Sculpting Eye Cream. And of course, this is a 360. So you want to make sure that you are applying this eye cream above the eyelids as well. I always like to apply it on the corner of my nose and in my laugh lines. Next, the star of the show, which is the Exuviance Pro Plumping. If you love the Tatcha, I am telling you, you need to get this. Even the Tatcha, when I use it, I feel like within maybe 4 hours, the moisture is gone. With this stuff, guys, the glow that you get lasts a long time. Okay, now I'm going in with the SPF. The one that I love to use is from Neutrogena. I think I love this not only because of the high level of SPF in it, but I love it too because it has like a nice little iridescent, I guess. And it does smell like SPF. It's like you're on the beach. This is the skin prep. Look at that skin prep. You see that? Now this right here is more glass skin. But let me show you how you keep this glow with your makeup. Because sometimes when you have a glow and you put makeup on, it kind of goes away. I'm going to show you how to keep that glow throughout the makeup so your skin looks flawless and that hydration and that glow lasts all day.